we go dance and we go cause now we don't go get suicide for them. So we will not say we want for make them continue how they move so they grow. For make we stay with for we say for picking them and we grand picking them, then I think say we all get a responsibility they for do the correct thing. So I want to say this na eminent way and peace mediators hour we don't get na Slbc, and I want to tell them thank you when I don't listen. We will see when again for the next one. We will get a set of people and more can talk about this. I need to what we do for put Salon first and peace again. I want to thank you.
You ready for the Zoom meeting today with the investor them?
Yes, boss. I'm ready for the meeting today. And I don't download all the reports they sent to me on the internet.
Make sure so you get super connection, because I don't want one problem during the meeting.
Everything is okay. Everything is fine.
Counting on you, even though we're not in the same office. I will be with you every step of the way.
Salone, it's your moment to choose big entertainment now at the smaller price.
It's a yes from me.
The most thrilling of all time.
We have big excitement, big stories, big awesomeness, big celebs, and big inspiration.
I'm impressed.
1, 2, 3.
Choose the biggest sports with the greatest superstars and best action.
Unbelievable. Big time.
Choose the biggest homegrown African stories.
Let's move it.
Choose the biggest celebs for fantastic family time.
Be vigilant out there.
Now is the time to choose from one of our incredible package offerings, all at a much smaller price.
I'm just saying.
Hope you enjoy!
It's your moment to choose DSTV.
1xBet. Reliable bookmaker with high odds. Wide selection on events. And bonuses for every taste. 1xBet. Easy use, easy win. Register with promo code and get a huge welcome bonus on your first deposit.
Hello, Mina Bishop Akinto Samjali, and Mina the President of the Pentecostal Fellowship of Sierra Leone and the General Overseer of Living Word of Faith Outreach Ministries International. The election is the head of we. We are one people, we are one nation. Some different beliefs, religious beliefs, persuasions, people belong to different political parties, but now one nation. What's going in this nation, now we all go benefit if you gone well, if you gone bad, now we all go suffer. This is a time for make what type of faith we serve. If you quell Salone, we will not get any other nation for good. Anytime you go, they will call you a foreigner. Anytime you go, you will be second-class citizen. But in Salone, we get all right. And I want to encourage you, don't make anything tamper with the peace of this nation. Put the country first. Put voting go be best for we all first. Not if you just for voting, you go one for see. Please, lay down your arms. If somebody hurts you, find a way for handle them. But not go to violence.